In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete text after certain character in Google Sheets. So as you can see in the sample spreadsheet, we have here two columns for profile and website. So what we're going to do is we're going to replace the names after this character slash. So basically in website, the output should be facebook.com/click here. As click here is the phrase that we're going to add after every slash in each cell. So to do that, what we're going to do is first simply select the cell where you would like to input the formula. Then input the following formula. Equal sign, type regex, replace, then open a parenthesis in here. Then select the cell from the original text that you will be replacing. So this is on cell A2. Then comma, open a quotation mark, then slash, then type a period, then an asterisk, then close the quotation mark, then comma, then open the quotation mark again. Then in here, input the word that you are going to replace after the character. So we input click here in here, close the quotation mark, then close the parenthesis. Simply click enter in here, and as you can see, facebook.com click here. So basically, after every slash, the phrase that follows will now be replaced with click here. So if we would do it on the other links in here, as you can see, it automatically changed the phrase after the slash. And that's about it. That's how to delete text after certain character in Google Sheets. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments below, and I'll do my best to help you out.